So I wanted to give you guys a tour of my facial room. My room is really small, so this is not going to be a very long video. It's going to be very nice and short. Other than that, let's go ahead and enter the room. It looks like this, very small, but very humble and cute. So here we have my facial bed, of course, and I'm usually seated right here where my clients are laying on the bed. Starting off on this side of the room, we have my steamer, my magnifying lamp, kept in this beautiful corner. And as you can tell, my cubbies are purchased from IKEA. Also, this mass-produced beautiful picture. Every room needs a clock, so make sure you have a clock or digital clock in your room to keep track of time. And starting in this little cubby, we have my disposable sponges and cotton pads that I use in my treatments. I love them to be right here because it's easy to access and grab them, especially if I need more. In this first cubby, we have my supplies like disposable gauze, 4x4s, 2x2s, my mask, disposable head wraps, alcohol, Q-tips, distilled water, all kept in here. Nobody needs to see that, so I like to have them tucked in here as well. And down here are all of my sheets and towels. If you are an esthetician, you know how many towels and how many sheets that we go through in a day, so always nice to have them nice and handy just right here so I can grab them. And it's in all of these, as you can tell. Have my LED mask right here as well. And of course, I love to display my beautiful flowers that my boyfriend has gifted me. These are roses that last up to a year, and as you can see, they have really pretty little diamonds in them. So those are really special to me. Everybody needs to see this. Every girl needs to have one. Every guy needs to have one. So if you are interested, this is the company where he purchased them from. Very, very pretty. And I also have some fake flowers, or I don't know what these are called, but these are from Winners. Very cheap, but you know, just like to have some greenery in this room. And hidden back there are my hair dryers and hair tools. Nobody towel cabbie. This one fits about 12 towels in here, 12 face towels. I use about 2 per client, so that's about 5 or 6 clients per day. Perfect for myself. If you are a bigger spa or you see about like 15 clients a day, you might need more, or you can just get new towels as you go. I love to have a candle in my room as well. I don't really light them up that much, but when I want the room to smell very nice, I just open this up and then the aroma of the wax kind of linger around the room and it makes the room smell really pretty. You know what? I'm gonna leave it open because it smells nice. My facial menu so clients can see the pricing of my treatments when they arrive, some treats, some pink accents in this room. And when you turn around, you see my other side, which is what I call my office side. We have my laptop right there. I have my ring light. You see I film a lot of my videos in this room. So it's really helpful to have some great lighting in here because this lighting is just not cutting it for me. When you walk over to this side, you see some of my back bar products. I am a single esthetician, so I don't need many products. I do have something for everybody. So this is what I have here, and then I keep my sharps tool in here as well for extractions, lancets, or even my dermaplaning stuff is in there as well. And I usually keep my bowl of water right here. It's usually kept here. And I also have some more tools, as you can tell, all tucked in here. Not very pretty, but you know, that's what it is. Tools, tissue, all that jazz. Have my diplomas and certificates up here as well. I'm not sure which one I want to put it on, so I will have to figure that out, but for now they are tucked away in this right here at my desk. My client consent form, facial menu, and when I'm not seeing clients, I am working right here on this desk. So yeah, that is the tour of my space. I hope you found this tour very helpful, especially if you are thinking about doing facials from home. This is how I set up a lot of my stuff. It has been working for me. You know, I think you learn as you go, so maybe along the way I might change some things around, might remove this table, I don't know yet, but for now it works perfectly good. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave a comment below and let me know, or yeah, if you like the room, give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I will talk to you guys next time.